This is a technology and school supply gift guide for professors, but anyone would like these practical and useful gifts. Number one is the Dell All-in-One laptop. This is a great laptop because it's a touchscreen and it converts to a tablet. Number two is the Logitech Headset. It's great because background noise is minimal and the sound is crisp and clear. I use it to record lectures and weekly introductions. Number three is the flash drive. It allows you to store many files and it comes in a variety of storage sizes. Number four is a set of 4 binders. I use one binder for each class that I teach, and I'm able to easily organize the course material into categories such as quizzes, exams, and assignments. Number 5 is the Blue Yeti microphone. Although this microphone doesn't eliminate all background noise, the sound quality is almost perfect. It would be great for recording lectures in a soundproof room or an area where there is no background noise. Number 6 is the Swell Bottle. This bottle is very useful because it keeps beverages hot for up to 18 hours and cold for up to 41 hours. It also easily fits into any backpack and it is condensation proof. It also fits into the Samsonite Backpack, which I will mention soon. Number 7 is the Samsonite Backpack. I own this backpack and it's great because it has many compartments to store items such as pens, sunglasses, your laptop, and water bottles. Number 8 is a water repellent and shockproof laptop sleeve that protects your laptop. Number 9 are microfiber cloths. These cloths are great for removing fingerprints from all of your electronic devices. Number 10 are sleek, stylish black ink pens. These pens are easy to write with and they glide very easily along the page. Number 11 is the Dell Stylus. This stylus is great to use with the Dell All-in-One laptop. It can be used to write on the screen during virtual lectures or office hours. Number 12 is a pencil case. I always have a pencil case in my backpack, and this pencil case is great for storing flash drives and office supplies such as pens and paper clips. Number 13 is the Day Designer Planner. This planner is great because it allows you to plan every hour of your day. Number 14 is a lunch bag. I take my lunch every day, and this lunch bag has great features. It is insulated, leak-proof, and waterproof. Number 15 are lunch containers. These containers are great to take your lunch, and they fit easily inside most lunch bags. Hopefully these items will make perfect gifts for the people on your list.